guys, I wanted to show you the new release from Darcie's. They are some adorable stamps that you can use for treat bags. So look how cute these samples are. The little Frankenstein, or they got the little tin pins on there for the eyeballs. There's the sentiment. So they're a little sample. You can fill a little baggie with candy, and then just use this as a treat topper. And then we've got the Count Dracula. So they just put the little treat topper right there on a little treat topper that you can make yourself. Just fold a piece of paper over the bag. You can cut out a window with a die and add the sentiment so you can have your candy peeking out. And this one's the witch. She's really cute how the little witch cap is popping up over the little treat topper there. And then the mummy, I love this mummy's eyes, really, really cute. And the sentiment's Mummy Munchies. And then we've got the Frankenstein. So adorable. These are adorable for Halloween. So I'm going to share the stamps now. So here is the first one, the mummy one, and it's called Mummy Munchies. I love this one. And there's a little decorative frame that you can stamp your sentiment in, and you can pick up the tin pins for some added dimension on your project. So these make great treat toppers. Those are one of my favorite projects to make, is treat holders. So we've got the Frankenstein. Frankly, you're the best is the sentiment. And his little eyeballs are purple. He's called Frankly the Best. Then we've got Fang Taste Stick Halloween. So we've got your Count Dracula and your sentiment. He's got the red eyeballs. And then we've got Witching You Fun. So you can add the little witch hat to her. She comes with the sentiment, and then her eyes are pretty cool. She's got like green, purple, and blue eyes. So these are super fun. I will have the link down below to the Darcie section in the shop. And right now my free with 60 is the Beautiful Bloom stamp set by MFT. So when I run out of this, I will add a new item. This will change out on Monday. I will have some enamel dots on Monday with the new Neat and Tangled release. If you do spend $100 or more, you'll see the die pop into your cart, and the free gifts only pop into your cart with the coupon code Jamie. So if you're using a different code, I will send you the free gift. You can add it in your comments box if you like. That way I don't forget to add it to your package. And this will pop into your cart once your cart reaches $66, and then you can go ahead and add your discount, and then the die will pop into your cart once your cart reaches $110, and then you can add your discount. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. So I do want to pull the winner for my monthly giveaway for all my orders. So for July, I still have to pull that winner, and then I will share what the prize is for August. So there will be a giveaway for August as well. So that'll be done in the beginning of September. I'll do the winner for that one. Okay, so check out my next video. Thanks, guys.